In this video, I'm going to show you how to change aspect ratio in Lightroom in a quick and simple way. Whether you want a square post for Instagram, a vertical crop for Reels, or a custom frame for your project, Lightroom makes it easy to do right inside the editor. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy photo editing tips. Let's jump right in. First, open Lightroom Desktop and load the photo you want to edit. Once your image is on screen, look for the Crop tool on the right-hand panel. Click that to open the cropping options. This is where you'll be able to change the shape of your photo without changing the actual image file size. Now look for the Aspect Ratio dropdown. Click it, and you'll see a list of preset ratios you can choose from. If you want a perfect square, select 1:1. If you're making a post for Instagram, 4:5 is a great option. For standard print sizes like 4:6, choose 2:3. And if you're editing for short-form video or stories, 9:16 is the best choice for that tall vertical look. If none of the presets fit what you need, you can also choose Custom. That lets you enter your own ratio manually, which is really useful if you're working on a specific layout or trying to match a unique frame size. After choosing your ratio, adjust the crop by dragging the corners. This lets you reframe the photo and decide exactly what stays in the shot. You can also click and move the image inside the crop box to position your subject better. This is especially helpful if the most important part of the photo is off to one side or needs a little more breathing room. If you want to switch between horizontal and vertical orientation, just press X. That instantly flips the crop direction, which can save time when you're deciding between landscape and portrait. Once everything looks right, press Enter to apply the crop. Your new aspect ratio will be set, and the photo will be framed exactly how you want it. One important tip to remember is that aspect ratio changes the shape of your image, not the size. Cropping also removes parts of the photo, so make sure you don't cut out anything important by accident. A good habit is to choose your ratio before you spend too much time editing, because that helps you avoid losing important details later. And that's it. Now you know how to change aspect ratio in Lightroom the easy way. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.